Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-SS2 in the color Strawberry. Alright, let's take our scissors. Let's open it on up. Okay. Inside each box you will get your product. You'll get a set of screws, which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box. And you'll also get a set of instructions. But first, let's just take a look at the product here. Okay, we'll start by giving you a 360 view. Okay, and then we'll remove the plate for installation. Nice and simple. Just grab at the edges with your fingertips like that and push forward with your palm. Plate comes off nice and easy, just like that. Okay. The holes at the side here are your screw holes. That's where you're going to put your provided screws through to fasten to your pattress box. Okay, flipping it on over, you'll notice at the top here that it has the BS or the British standards, so you'll have peace of mind buying this product. Also, it has 3 terminal hole screws on the back, so this is a 2-gang 2-way light switch. So if you need to control your light from 2 separate locations, this will be the guy that you want. Also, these modules are interchangeable, so if you need to replace it with an intermediate, because you need to control your lights from 3 separate locations, you can do that. You just pop that out, put the new one in, and then your same plate will fit over top of the intermediate. Also, real quickly, these plates are interchangeable, so if you get tired of your color, or if you simply want a new one, you can do that. Okay, just clips on nice and easy, just like that. Okay, let's put our original back on, just like that. And then let's take a look at that instructional leaflet I was talking about earlier. Okay, on the one side you have a whole bunch of different social media platforms, which if you head on over to any one of those, give us a like or a follow, that'd be greatly appreciated. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. And finally, in the bottom right-hand corner here is a Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page, which will give you tips and tricks on how to install our products. And finally, let's take a look at the bag that it comes in. Okay, flipping it on over at the bottom here is our SKU code, the ART-SS2 for the 2-way light switch, and SB for the color Strawberry. On the center here is our barcode, and in the top left-hand corner is another Scan Me QR code. If you scan this one, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website, and you can see our full range of products there. And then finally, flipping it on over, you'll notice the recycling symbol in the bottom right-hand corner here, so you know that this packaging that it comes in is completely recyclable. Alright, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day, so please make sure you are subscribed and that bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and a comment down below as what you'd like us to do next. Alright, thanks for watching and have a trendy day.